Thanks, Gina. Bringing awareness to addiction and mental health. On the last Thursday of each month, healthcare professionals, local leaders, and law enforcement professionals are coming together all in one roof to help keep the community safe. The Community Unity event series held by Cornerstone Healing Center, a substance abuse and mental health treatment provider. And as they say, it's not just a conversation, it's call to action. We have Shawn Humphrey here with Cornerstone. How you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks so much. What exactly is this Community Unity event? I'm saying it slow because I feel like I'm going to mess it up if I say it fast.
Right. Yeah, so Community Unity is a large format behavioral health networking meeting for community members, as you mentioned, law enforcement, stakeholders, community leaders, where we come together and really try to synergize a lot of our different resources to in effect, better serve these populations or these individuals who are struggling with substance use and mental health disorders.
So if someone fits in one of those categories, what does one of these meetings look like if they go to this meeting?
Certainly, yeah. So there's a large aspect where we're doing networking, so a lot of introductions and connecting with other providers, other pertinent individuals who may be a part of these issues where we're trying to work to find practical solutions and push the needle further for advocacy and different aspects like that.
Is this more about understanding what people are going to, try to heal that divide between all these different sectors that we have?
Yes, yeah. I think this is still obviously a major issue. It touches the lives of just about everybody, whether it's a mental health thing or a substance use disorder. And we're really just trying to provide a platform where people can become more educated on the different services and the different ways that we can help these folks. And in essence, really, as I mentioned before, just push forward with what is the most practical way that we can serve and help people heal.
Yeah, for sure. And you mentioned this was 100% free for whoever wants to come check it out. Talk about when these Community Unity events take place every month.
Absolutely. So it's the last Thursday of every month. We hold it at the Optima Camelview Village in Scottsdale, just right there by Scottsdale Fashion Square. And it's from 11 a.m. to 12:45 p.m., hosted by Cornerstone Healing Center. We typically will have part of the event will just be the networking aspect where we come together, we have lunch, break bread, get to know each other, and then we will effectively have some speakers usually as well come and talk about issues that are pertinent to the folks that are treating these individuals and working towards a brighter tomorrow when it comes to these issues.
Yeah, people always say it takes a village, so how can the community get involved in helping?
Absolutely. So anyone who's interested in learning more about substance use treatment, mental health treatment, advocacy, learning about kind of some nonprofit organizations or really even what law enforcement is doing to work on these issues, anybody can attend. It's open to the community. We'd love to have more community members come and participate and really just get a feel for the way that these systems work and the way that these programs work to again, be a part of the solution and work together to make things better.
Shawn, what's your one last message for someone who'd be watching this, struggling with addiction or mental health issues, who is teetering on, hey, should I go get help? Should I,
Absolutely. I think the great lie of drug addiction and mental health disorders is that you always feel like you're the only person in the whole world who's feeling the way that you do. And I'll just say that as a person in long-term recovery for both of these things myself, anything is possible. I believe anybody can heal, and that's why I do this work. That's why I'm a part of it, and it's just an honor and a blessing, truly, to be able to be a part of that. So, yeah, anybody can heal, anybody can recover, and when you are connected with the right resources, which is what we're trying to do here with this community networking event, it just makes it that much easier.
Good lasting message. Shawn, thank you so much. Last Thursday of every month, go ahead and check it out on your website as well.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir. Yeah.